Hello, I'm going to try to briefly give a rundown of my final project for CS50. What I decided to do was create my own website, and I did so not with CS50 IDE, but I found a nice little tool called Brackets, which was very helpful in helping me refine my style and really gave me some good practice as far as um, good conventions as far as writing HTML and CSS. Off to the left here I have my working files and the files that are relevant to the website, but let me just navigate over to that. So the URL is Eric-Bray, so that's my GitHub username, .github.io/computer science. And so I plan on using this for computer science, a course that I teach at the high school level in South Wales at the place called the Gal School. So in any event, I try to style it to some degree, sort of like how the cs50.harvard.edu site is. Currently, I have just some basic learning objectives, a link to the online textbook, which will pop up in its own tab, some contact information for me. But towards the top, and I plan on continuing to develop this, I have a link for the curriculum, and I plan to model this somewhat like as CS50 does, broken up into units with relevant YouTube clips and notes and such. Right now, again, it's going to be a work in progress for the upcoming school year, the 2019-2020 school year. And so I'm going to be working on this some more over the summer. I also have a tab here for helpful links. And one thing that I really like is that the bar up here is responsive, even when you decide to squish it down. Notice that it does transition. So I think that's it. Thank you very much, and see you later.